Looking for unlimited dim sum place? Check out what we had at Shanghai Saloon at the Montaigne in BGC branch. Newly opened lang to, located at 8th Avenue, corner 35th Street. So many options, more than 40 yata to. This includes not only dim sums but appetizers, noodles, soups, desserts, and some entrees like this lemon chicken, which we love by the way. Ito yung nagustuhan ng kids ko. My son loved their Shanghai Saloon fried rice. Their sweet and sour pork, it's also good. Salt and pepper squid so-so lang for me, hindi masyado malasa. Fish fillet with tofu and tausi, also good. Proof din sa amin tong stir-fried green beans with pork. Madaming entrees, kaya okay na din. Hakaw, also good. Pork with mushroom siomai, also good, but I've had better sa iba. Mango prawn roll, masarap yung filling, pero since deep fried to, medyo na-oilyhan ako. Tinanggal ko actually yung breading niya. Honey glazed char siu, okay lang to, hindi ako masyadong fan. Sa lahat ng fried dim sum nila, dito ako nasarapan sa fried wonton. Not too oily yung feeling pag kinain, crunchy and siksik na siksik sa shrimp. So good, nakarami ako nito. Hindi din ako masyadong fan nitong sesame prawn toast. Again, medyo oily siya for me. Gusto ko tong chicken feet nila. Sobrang busog na ako and ang laki ng meatball. Sabi ni Hobby, masarap daw. Very tasty yung laman nitong Sichuan pork dumplings. Nagustuhan ko rin yung mga buns nila. This is taro bun. Super lambot and yummy yung feeling sa loob. Their asado siopaw is also good. Ang sarap ng asado filling. For dessert, we had buchi. At perfect na pang dessert itong ice black gulaman. Since weekend kami nagpunta, 1,088 yung binayaran namin per person. Hindi ko yata nasulit but family time while sampling variety of flavors is so much fun.